Hey, so you know how meetings can sometimes feel like a total mess, keeping track of notes, figuring out action items, or just remembering what was even decided. It's chaos, I know. Well, I just came across this tool called Fellow, or a Fella, and I've got to tell you, it's pretty good stuff. Also, quick reminder, if you are into exploring tools like this, don't forget to subscribe and check out the playlist I've linked in the description. There's a ton of cool stuff there that you'll love. Okay, so here's the deal with the Fellow. It's like having an extra brain for your meetings, one that actually keeps things organized for you. It does everything: transcriptions, summaries, agendas, and even action plans. It's not just another note-taking app, it's like your personal meeting assistant. So here's what makes Fellow super cool. Transcriptions in 35 plus languages. Whenever you are on Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams, it transcribes everything in real time. And you can even control what it hops into your calls, so it's not there when you don't want. AI summaries, and you know that those hours-long meetings where you're like, what did we even accomplish? Fellow summarizes everything for you. Key takeaways, decisions, action items, everything done in minutes. About meeting agendas, if you're planning a meeting, Fellow helps you create agendas that actually make sense. You can even assign tasks right there or jot down private notes just for you. Ask Fellow Copilot. This is my favorite feature. You can literally ask it questions like, what were the action items from the last week's meeting? And I'll put it up for you. It's like having a genius assistant you can just talk to. And if you are in a collaboration tools, if you're working with a team, it's awesome for sharing notes, assigning tasks, and staying on the same page. And get this, Fellow is all about privacy. All your data stays your data, and they're not using your stuff to train any models or anything. It also plays nice with tools like Slack, Google Calendar, and ClickUp, so you don't have to completely change how you work. So here's the breakdown of the cost. So we have a free plan. It's good for testing the waters with the basic features like transcriptions. Pro plan, you get extras like Copilot and those pre-meeting briefs. Business plan for bigger teams with more transcription time and advanced tools, and enterprise plan, of course, with custom pricing for the big players with heavy security needs. Alright, quick summary. What's great about it? Transcriptions and summaries are spot on, saves so much time, especially with that Copilot feature, perfect for both solo and team use, solid security, you don't have to worry about your data. And what's not so great, the free plan doesn't let you make private notes, which might be a deal breaker if you are big on personal organization. So would I recommend it? Definitely, especially if you are always in meetings and want something to make your life easier. It's easy to use, packed with features, and genuinely help you stay on top of things. You should check it out. There is a link in the description. Let me know what you think too. Like, what's the one thing that drives you nuts about meetings? Maybe a fella can fix it for you. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe and take a look at that playlist in the description, as I've got a bunch of other AI tools that you'll probably find super useful. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.